I just wanted to hop on here really fast. For those who are uncomfortable with making candy apples, go to your local grocery store and buy some strawberries and some Ghirardelli if they have it. If not, get some almond bark. Hurry up. I am here to inspire you all the way from the tip top of the Blue Ridge Mountains. If you are new to me and Candy Apple TV, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the all bell notifications so you don't miss out, because we talk about all things candy apple related and sweet treats. Let's make the best candy apple recipe in town. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. So all you need for chocolate strawberries will be your strawberries, your chocolate, whether it's almond bark, your wafers. Try to get Ghirardelli if they have it. Just as far as color, just make it chocolate or white. You don't have time. And that was the color meal that I just showed. I'm going to color that white, pink. You can melt your chocolate like it states on the back of the box, but I am going to speed things up and use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So all you need is your chocolate, your strawberries, your toothpicks, and vegetable oil to make chocolate covered strawberries. Now, I am only going to put this in the microwave twice on 30-second intervals. So after the first 30-second interval, I am going to stir it and put it back in a second time. So this is my 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is my first 30 seconds. And now this is my second 30 seconds. Take your strawberries, get that stem and pull it all the way up. So you do not dip that in the chocolate. You dip your strawberries in the chocolate, bring it up, shake that extra chocolate off. And then what you want to do is turn your strawberries upside down. Oh, and you need a foam board. Turn your strawberries upside down and place it in the foam board. You can cover it with plastic wrap. You can cover your foam board with aluminum foil if you don't have plastic wrap. So once your strawberries dry, you're going to use chocolate, and you can put it in a sandwich bag, a piping bag, whatever you have. I am going to put my chocolate in a sandwich bag and cut the tip. Make sure your strawberries are upside down and not laying flat. You want to clip it or cut it just really, really tiny, very small like this. And then you go back and forth on your strawberries. Sorry, I'm in a big rush trying to hurry up and just show you guys what you can do if you are uncomfortable making candy apples. If you have enjoyed this chocolate covered strawberry tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.